We call it a day. Let us look at tonight's sports news. The Swazi Bank Cup 2018 edition has been launched. This year's sponsorship stands at 2.6 million emalangeni.
The 15th edition of the Swazi Bank has been launched under the slogan "Niyayifuna na," which came with a student from St. Mary's. The managing director of Swazi Bank, Zakhele Kele, making his remarks during the launch, revealed the sponsorship of the tournament, which is worth 2.6 million emalangeni.
This year's sponsorship is to the value of 2.6 million emalangeni. This year's tournament will also see an innovation in terms of introducing a Women's Cup tournament, which has been sponsored to the value of 75,000 emalangeni. So our ladies are becoming part of us, and we are always very sensitive to gender balance at the bank.
President of the National Football Association, Atampomba Mtsetwa, thanked the bank for another big occasion of supporting local football.
I would like to express our genuine gratitude to Swazi Bank for the generous sponsorship and extended investment they've accorded to football family after the expiration of the last 3-year period. This is one traditional competition that has always connected the bridge between regional football and national football. To eyes on that, the winner gets the ticket to participate in the Continental Interclubs competition, the CAF Confederations Cup.
Speaking on behalf of women football was Sanboy Mabuza, who thanked the bank for handing over 76,000 emalangeni sponsorship to women football, which is a first.
Ngaba kutibongela kuSwazi Bank ukuthi ekugcineni nathi sibe part of the tournament. Yonke leminyaka nawukhumbula besifisa kuba part of singayibukeli sihleli ngaphandle sibe ngekhathi. Siyadibongela ke thina siyibhola yabomake and kutase sitakele ukuthi siseyingcenye yayo idevelop le sport. Siyabonga nje ikakhulu bonke labente lomsebenzi ukuthi kugcine lokukhala kwethu kuvakele. Sineke siyethemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu sonke noma bekunengathi akubonakala ukuthi siyaphi bantu sebatawubona ukuthi woka women kukhona lokwendiwako.
Grand opening of the tournament will take place on the 25th of this month. Reporting for Swazi TV Sports News, I am Patizwe Msibi with Fabrice Msonera Matapa.